Gold Rush Mini. Cheap teams. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let me text Dylan real quick. Or message him here. Okay. Alright, guys. See, we got Jason 5, Dylan 2, Jose 5, Corey with 20. Alright, let's get it on. 5 times for the 5 times. Good luck, guys. Appreciate it. Let's pull something sweet. This is box 10 out of 12 from the case. 4, 5. Corey, you're on top. Corey, you're on the bottom 5 times. Good deal. Alright, let's group you guys together. Corey, Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Bills, Bears, Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Jags, Chiefs, Raiders, Rams, Vikings, Patriots, Giants, Eagles, Niners, Seahawks, Bucks, Skins. Dylan, Bengals, Packers. Jason, Panthers, Colts, Chargers, Dolphins, Saints. Jose, Lions, Texans, Jets, Steelers, and Titans. Any trades there, guys? Let me know. Any trades? If not, we'll get it going. Rip it and rip it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, sealed up, and sealed up. Let's get it on. Like I said, box 10. Yeah, 10 out of the case. 10 left. Yeah, 2 left. Football season, guys. College football was yesterday. Glad it was back. NFL is right around the corner. Otis Anderson for the Giants. Little throwback. Otis Anderson for the Giants. Throwback. W455763. Otis Anderson. For the G-Men. For the G-Men. New York Giants. New York Giants. Corey. Alright, Corey. Otis Anderson coming your way, man. Very nice. Otis Anderson going to Corey. If you guys want, we'll run that one back too. Premium packs are reloaded. $10 a division. Get your teams, guys. Get your divisions, rather. A lot of nice cards in there. Multi-sport jersey. 9 spots left. $7. Running sale on those as well. Just trying to get some stuff moving. Super cheap, guys. 7 times 24. So cheap. You can't even buy these jerseys for less than that on eBay. I just bought them before they got all crazy in price. So that premium pack can run back another mini helmet as well. Alright, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.